Alright, YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Tank B Choppin'. I'm back with another video. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing real quick because as y'all can see, I got a client in the chair. Gonna give him a quick haircut. But before that, we're gonna unbox this for y'all real quick. Check it out. We got the new Wahl cordless Legends. That ain't mine. Let me zoom out a little bit. These ain't mine. They're actually my boy Eric. He actually purchased these last week. He said, "Hey Tank, I'm gonna let you unbox them. I'm gonna let you use them because I know you be doing the YouTube stuff." So I appreciate you, Eric, and I hope y'all appreciate it also. That way y'all can actually see what this clipper does. So let's go ahead and unbox it real quick for y'all. So y'all know the case that it comes in. You know, it's pretty similar to the Wahl Senior case. You know what I'm saying? It says it comes with 8 guards, so that's pretty good. Crunchy blade technology, wide range blade adjustment lever. So this lever does open up a little more than the normal Wahl Seniors. It's supposed to open up to a full one. You know, that's just debatable basically. You can use it cordless, up to 100 minutes runtime. Most clippers give about 2 to 3 hours, so 100 minutes is, you know, it's not bad, but it's not great either. But let's just go ahead and open this up and let's see what it's working with. All right, so check it out. Zoom back a little bit. Let's go ahead and open this. Alright, check it out. So I appreciate you, Eric, for letting me unbox this. Let's check that out. And here's the hardware right here. Here's the cordless Wahl Legend. We're gonna give this a run. It feels a little, don't feel bad in the hand. I don't know, it feels kind of magic clippy to me, you know what I'm saying? The lever does open up a lot, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna give it a run and see what it does. You know, it don't sound super strong, but we're gonna see what it does, you know, and let's see what else it comes with. So it's got a little box inside the box. Let's open up this box and see what else is in here. So here are the guards. You know, it comes with the premium guards, so that's good. You know, Wahl's giving you some nice guards with it. It comes with a little comb, you know what I'm saying? These combs are really good. And then it's got, what else is in here? You know, it's got the little pamphlet of information. Y'all know I normally chunk these, but since it's not mine, I wanna respect the property, you know, leave it back in there, put it back in there for y'all. Let's see what else is in this box real quick. So we also got, and it also comes with a charger. So basically that's what you get with this clipper. You get the actual clipper, you get the charger, and you get some guards with it. So that ain't bad. We're gonna put it to use and see what it does. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay. What number on top?
3.
3? Alright, so we're gonna be using the guards that it comes with. You know, the Wahl Premium guards. I ain't used a set of Wahl Premium guards in a good minute. But it's pretty generic, you know what I'm saying? I'm sure we got this. So let's go ahead and get into it, guys. We're gonna be doing a 3 ball fade and beard trim. These are the Wahl Legends. Let's check them out and let's see what they do. All right. That's alright. I mean, it'll get the job done.
Yeah. I can notice the difference when you cut with the other ones.
Like these don't feel as powerful, huh?
No.
Alright guys, so I used the Wahl Legend all day today. I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't really too impressed with it. Like, it works good, it cuts good, it fades good, but just the power on it, you can feel the power like going away. Like, as soon as you start working with it, as soon as it starts to like go down, I feel that you can feel the power diminish from it. And obviously, when you get a clipper, you want a clipper that's gonna keep that same power all the way to the end. So for me, as soon as it started to just, you know, like die down, I guess you can say, it just started to feel weaker. It did get clogged up a couple times when I was going over the top, debulking some hair. It did seem to have issues with cutting it. Now, it did get the job done, you know what I'm saying? It did get the job done. It cut the hair down, but I just felt it took me a little longer than I would like, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, I feel that it's a pretty good tool, you know what I'm saying? I do like the fact that it does open up a little more than the normal Wahl clippers. It does open up to a full one, just like the Quarter Legend, you know what I'm saying? And honestly, if I had to be completely honest, I honestly feel that this clipper actually opens up more than the JRLs and the Masters. And that's my opinion, could be wrong, but that's my opinion on it right now. I feel that it opens up a little more. I do like that because it takes away from you having to use the 1/16 or the 1.5 guard. Now, you can use them if you want to go back in detail or if you just can't get a certain line out, but I honestly don't feel that the 1/16 or the 1.5 guard are needed with this clipper. Like I said, you can use them if you want, but I just don't feel that they're 100% needed due to the lever opening up a little more. I honestly think this feels kind of like a magic clip. Now, I don't have a magic clip on me, so I would like test them, but I don't have a magic clip on me to see if they sound similar or what. But let's do a little sound check real quick. So that's, you know, the noise level on this clipper. But like I said, guys, it feels like it's a magic clip to me. I feel like the Wahl Seniors are still a little stronger. And for my personal preference, I like the Wahl Seniors better. But this ain't a bad clipper. And for 120, you know, we got these for 120. My boy Eric, like I said earlier in the video, my boy Eric bought them for 120. Good price for the clipper. For 120, it ain't bad, but it's not the best clipper out there. Me personally, I probably ain't gonna use these at all anymore, just because I have other clippers that can do what this clipper does, if not more, you know what I'm saying? So I may not use the clipper again, but it is a pretty decent clipper. Like I said, it's just not for me, you know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people like the Legends, and it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? I'll probably use my other clippers more than this one, and that's just me being 100% honest with y'all. I do like the blade that it comes with. I like fade blades more than taper blades, so I like that it came with a fade blade. I do like that it opens up a little more. It only has, like, I think I showed y'all earlier, but I think it said 100 minutes runtime. Most of the new clippers nowadays, you get about 2 to 3 hours. So that's not really, you know, the best, but it is what it is. For the most part, me personally, I probably won't be using them, like I said. And if you want to buy this clipper for 120, it's not a bad deal. You go ahead and do it. But I just personally, I wouldn't buy them. That's just me being me. It is what it is. Y'all can say your boy is hating. I ain't even tripping. It is what it is, like I said, guys. But anyways, guys, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.